The Spanish phrase for today's video is, where did you come from? ¿De donde veniste? Now, before all of you comment that I said it wrong, I understand that the proper form is viniste, V-I-N-I-S-T-E, not V-E-N-I-S-T-E. The thing is, a lot of people in Mexico say it with an E. Although it is spelled with an I, you're going to hear it pronounced a lot with an E and not necessarily with an I. So even though it is viniste, you're just going to hear veniste. It's just one of those things, you know? Anyway, this is a three-word phrase. De, donde, veniste, meaning, where did you come from? Again, the phrase is, ¿de donde veniste? Where did you come from? If you learned anything today, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.